And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as always, is Stuart Robson. And the general feeling is we should be in for a spellbinding occasion. It's France taking on Real Madrid.
Well, I'm excited by this encounter today. Both teams have a good game plan, both teams can be physical, and both teams have creative players. It could be a case of who wants it more.
Rudiger. Xavi. Papin. Attacking possibilities for Real, but timely defending when it mattered. And good work from Real Madrid to win the ball back. Parejo. Top-class defending. Ramirez.
A reminder, the food stands will be open after the game if you'd like to get yourself some post-match snacks.
And on to Jairzinho. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. To begin with. And the keeper was finally able to claim it.
Well, what a great piece of goalkeeping. Firstly the save, and then the recovery. Brilliant from him.
Parejo. Jairzinho. Opportunity it is. And a goal! That will do it. They've been pushing for it, and now they've been rewarded.
You have to ask, where's the defending? The keeper is completely exposed, but he still had to finish it, and he did it really well. It's a good goal.
So back underway. Will there be a response from France here? This could square the game. That is a tackle and a half. And he took care of it defensively. Rudiger. It's with Parejo. Now with Papin. And there it is, the half-time whistle.
Would the club secretary please note Mr. Moore is in the building.
Well, it is advantage Real after the first 45 minutes, but there's a long way from being settled.
Does invite somebody to go and attack it, but he's still got so much work to do. Just look at the strength he shows to hold off the defender and still get his shot away. That's a really good finish.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Pedri. Jean-Pierre Papin. Parejo. And teammates around him. Jairzinho. Corner given to Real Madrid. Mbappe. And he could be in proper trouble here. Just 20 minutes remaining now. Jairzinho. And he keeps going. Over the touchline for what will be a France throw. Bernardo Silva. Iniesta. Mbappe. Well, close to the end of this contest, and Real Madrid absolutely...
He's in here.
Surely! And it's in! They've eaten into their advantage, and this is not over. Not yet, anyway. Well, 2-1 it is here. Iniesta. Here's Mbappe. And still pressing for a goal here. And he clears the danger. This could be the equaliser. It was turned out, so a throw-in will be next. Iniesta. Well, it's the late show, and they are level again.
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
And that is going to be all for this game. Well, we were treated